Ishwari. This is Povada, the popular folk art or ballad from Maharashtra. And the next day begins. A quick haircut. There is 24-hour medical service with a resident qualified doctor. It is time for bathing and washing clothes. The day begins with the national anthem.
भारत माझा देश आहे.
भारत माझा देश आहे.
सारे भारतीय
माझे
A pledge to the nation.
संविधानी मीनार लगाए। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। विसर्जन।
Chief Administrator Mr. Sherke says,
I was astonished how Mr. Shantilal Mutha, the president of this Bharatiya Jain Sangatna, dared to bring in such a large number the students to Pune for education. But it was a miracle that within 15 days, these students began to go to school. Of course, all responsibilities of food, clothing and shelter were taken by the institution. All things were provided to them, clothing, at the same time educational instruments, books, exercise books, dresses, all things were given. Staff was appointed. And in the beginning, many social workers also came there and taught the children. It was a very difficult job to feed these children, near about 1,200 children, both the times. But when 2 cooking houses were made and the children were regularly fed well, also the mayor of Pimpri-Chinchwad Corporation, Mr. Vilasrao Lande, and Commissioner, Mr. Srinivas Patil, and other members came to help Mr. Shantilalji Mutha. So it was an easy job for him to organize all necessary needs of the students.
Principal Yadav says,
when I discuss this problem with my colleagues, I find that some of the boys are very poor, even they cannot read, even they cannot write. So what should be done for these children? We started night classes for these children. Especially we thought the student from 10th standard should be passed, and for that we have to take some special efforts for those boys.
I am Yogesh Kumar Bhatia from Life India Society and belong to a place near Delhi, Aligarh. And I have come here and saw their work. And I feel that I don't have any words to describe the work they are doing. It is so great and so wonderful. Really, I feel so small in front of these people that their contribution is such a strong contribution. I would like to substantiate my thing that the word that once I saw a big procession of Jain community coming out in Agra, and I came to know they have spent crores and crores rupees on that procession, and they are going to make a big temple. I really feel that if somebody has to do a work, these are the real temples, these are the place where you can find God. Really, I feel so helpless coming in front of them. This is wonderful work, I can only say that. Well, that's the thing I have come here to talk with these people. I feel exactly after 12th class or after 10th class, professional education matters much. And I have come here, I was talking to the principal, Mr. Yadav, that if it is possible, I can really help them in getting admission in some university. For example, I belong to Aligarh. Aligarh is having one very big university, Aligarh Muslim University. And if some of them can qualify MBBS or engineering exam, we can help them in getting the admission. If they get the admission, we can help them in their future life. And if this example is given to other universities and other students, because I belong to a student community, and if this example is taken and students community all over the country help in a small way, it can be a wonderful idea, giving them higher education. And that's the reason I have come here.
I am very, very happy. Our teachers taught is very good, very well. Our teachers like my parents. When I came here, my progress is very good. So, and I write a letter to my parents that I get many other subjects very good marks. And so my parents letters is come here come here, and I read in that letter that you study always, and get many good marks in any subjects.
Now I am very happy in Pune. My fear about future is no more, and I hope I will get good education in Pune. In my future life, a good education in Pune, I get good education than in my village education. And very much thanks to Akhil Bharatiya Jain Sangatna for this work by all students.
I will become in my front doctor and do social worker like Shantilal Bhau and Karmayur Gaurav Patel.
While forming this human pyramid, you must have explicit faith in each other, and you can succeed only through proper coordination and cooperation. The boy on the top knows that he is there because of the support provided at the base by many others. Whenever they see Shantilal Mutha, they rush to meet and greet him. They affectionately call him Bhau, which means brother. He has extended a helping hand. Many more such hands should now come forward with generous help for these blossoms from the dust. They have a basic human right towards a bright future.